Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Roofing Junction. Today we are going to discuss how to install roof shingles step by step, a very important part of any home improvement project. Let us dive deep into the roof shingles installation process. Before that, first let us understand what are shingles and why shingles. Let us begin. Roof shingles. Roof shingles are composite roofing material. Roof shingles have become a popular choice for roofing in India due to its durability and visually appealing finish. Whether you are building a residential home, a resort, or a commercial structure, installing roof shingles requires careful attention. In this video, we will take you step by step the installation process, ensuring a secure, long-lasting and waterproof roof. Roof shingles are secondary roofing material. They cannot be installed directly on a structure. Roofing shingles comes in different types, designs and colors. There are no price difference due to colors. Asphalt shingles are the most popular and widely used one. It is also known as bitumen roofing shingles or tile strips. There are three types of roof shingles: three tab, architectural, and luxury, each with its uniqueness and aesthetic appeal and price. At present, roof shingles are imported from America, Russia, and Italy. Materials and accessories required for installation: roof shingles, cement fiber boards, PU sealant, waterproof membrane, self-drilling screws, flashing and ridge caps, primer, cutter, measuring tape, brush or roller for applying primer, broom brush to clean the cement fiber board, and other safety materials. Installation. There are three types of installing roofing shingles. Number one is direct nailing of shingles on RCC slab, that is slopes. The second one, cement fiber board is laid on metal structure and on cement fiber board shingles are nailed. The third one is a three-layer installation process. The first, cement fiber board, second, waterproof membrane, and the third is shingles. Of the above three, let us discuss the third one in detail, which is a popular and durable and waterproof one. Preparing the metal structure. Verify and confirm that your metal framework is solid and securely anchored with a slope of 30 to 40 degree. Ensure the purlins are square. Recommended size is 60-40 or 50-50 and placed for every 2 feet, as these will support the underlayment and shingles. Clean the purlins thoroughly to remove any rust, debris, or dirt. A clean, stable base is essential for the proper installation of your cement fiber board. Purlins should be painted with yellow primer or red oxide to avoid rusting. Some fabricators also use oil paint for aesthetic look outside. Installing cement fiber boards for underlayment. Lay 16 mm cement fiber boards across the purlins, ensuring a snug fit. These boards will form a sturdy, smooth base for the shingles. Leave a small gap of 3 to 4 mm between the boards to allow for thermal expansion and contraction. Seal the joints between the boards with PU sealant. This step is crucial for preventing moisture from entering the gaps. as the sealant will maintain flexibility while withstanding temperature fluctuations. Apply a waterproofing layer. Clean the dust and dirt from the cement boards before applying the black primer, that is, black Japan primer. To provide additional protection against water, cover the cement fiber boards with membrane. This waterproofing membrane is highly effective for its long lasting properties. Roll out the membrane across the board. Heat properly and stick to the board. If it is not heated properly, it will not stick perfectly. Overlap the edges of the felt by a few inches to ensure a continuous waterproof barrier, securing it with compatible roofing nails and adhesive. Installing the roof shingles. Begin at the end or lower edge of the roof. Starting here ensures that each row of shingles will overlap the one below it, creating a water shedding effect. Carefully align the first row of shingles and secure them with 19 self-drilling screws. These screws should be driven into the top edge of the shingles, fastening them through the cement fiber boards into the purlins. Continue installing each successive row of shingles, making sure each row overlap the one below it for maximum protection against water infiltration. Install flashing and ridge caps at the roof's edges and in any joints. Install flashing to seal off areas that are prone to water leakage. Flashing is essential for sealing valleys, joints, and ridges where water may pool. Finish the roof by adding ridge caps at the peak. These caps help protect the roof's top edge from water seepage and give the roof a clean, polished appearance. Secure them with the same self-drilling screws to ensure a uniform installation. Final inspection for quality and waterproofing. Once all the shingles are in place, inspect the roof thoroughly for any gaps, loose shingles, or exposed screws. It is essential that the roof is tightly sealed. To test the waterproofing, simulate heavy rainfall by spraying water across the surface. Ensure that water flows off smoothly and does not pool in any areas. Thank you for watching Roofing Junction. If you found this video helpful and informative, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Roofing Junction for more informative videos on roofing material. This will motivate a senior person than you. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any suggestion or question. Thank you once again for watching Roofing Junction.